Hello class 9 children. Now today we'll be starting with the new unit in part B, that is digital documentation. Now first of all, what is the meaning of this term digital? Digital means anything related to computers and documentation means preparing the documents. So using the computers when we prepare the documents, that is known as digital documentation. Now we have two terms, word processing and word processor. These terms were discussed with you in class 9th also. Just a quick recap. Word processing is the process in which a computer software is used to enter, edit, format, store, retrieve and print the document. This document can be a letter, an application, a notice, a report, etc. While a word processor is a computer application program which is used for the production of printable material. Plus, we can again edit, format, store, retrieve and print the document. So, word processing is the process that is helping you in processing the document, and word processor is the software that aids in word processing. So a word processor, earlier WordStar was the most commonly used word processing software. Typewriters were used. However, these typewriters had certain limitations. So the first limitation was, in case of any typing error, if there was any error in typing, the whole sheet was typed again. Second is, if you want to send the same letter to two or more persons with different addresses, then that you had to type multiple times, which require multiple typing efforts. Then third one, typewriters does not have all the required characters or symbols. For example, the special characters, the special symbols. It is not possible to type all the characters using the typewriter. And the last limitation of typewriter was, it was not possible to produce the document in the desired format in which we require it today. So, later, certain word processors like MS Word, LibreOffice, these were introduced, which removed all these limitations, and these modern word processors, they are using graphical user interface, providing some form of what you see is what you get editing. This means you are able to have the special effects on the text which are also visible on the screen. So the modern day word processing softwares not only provides basic ability to enter and modify the text, but also provides efficient text manipulation functions that can be used for documentation. So these modern word processors, they provide attractive features. Some of the features are as follows. First of all, these modern word processors, they are used to create, edit, save, retrieve and print the document. Now what is retrieve means? Taking the document. Then next, select and move the text from one place to another. Obviously, you can move the text from one place to another. Then copy the text to other places within the document. Plus, you can move and copy the text from one document to other document. So, moving and copying can be done within the document as well as from one document to the other document. Then next, you can change the font size, the font style of the document. Then you can format the paragraphs. Formatting of the paragraphs can be done. Then next, spelling and grammar can be checked. Then next, you can create a table, modify it. That means you can modify the cells of the table, the rows and the columns. Then you can combine one or more documents, that you will be studying mail merge in this unit. Then you can insert pictures or graphs within the document. Then you can print the document for your use. So basically these are the features provided by the modern day word processors, which are much better than your original typewriters. So this has made the work of documentation easy, plus saving our time as well as effort. Nowadays you can see that data is maintained in banks or in colleges. You can see data is maintained inside the computers, and whenever any hard copy of data is required, it is quickly typed in the document, and whatever desired way it is required, the desired format, it is printed. It gives a professional look to the document. Now in class 9th you studied about Microsoft Office Suite, which was a collection of programs containing word processing, spreadsheet, presentation and database management. So in this class we will be using LibreOffice because of its several advantages, and the version that you will be using is LibreOffice 6.0. So in class 8th also you must have studied about word processing, MS Word, but in your class 9th you will be studying about LibreOffice 6.0, and you can download it from www.libreoffice.org. So that is all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.